Students, today in chapter 12 electricity class 10 we are going to learn Ohm's law, its definition, mathematical expression, its limitations and what type of questions that you are going to get it. First we'll start with the definition of Ohm's law. It states that the potential difference across the circuit. The potential difference across the circuit is directly proportional to the amount of current passing through it. I'll repeat, the potential difference across the electric circuit is directly proportional to the electric current passing through it. That means if you increase the current, the potential difference will increase. Or if you increase the potential difference, the current in the circuit will increase. It can be mathematically written as V is proportional to I, where V is the potential difference and I is the current. And if you remove the proportionality sign, we get V is equal to Ri, where V is potential difference, R is resistance of the wire and I is the current passing through it. Okay, so first Ohm's law and experimental. Let's see the experimental verification of this also. This is a battery, right? This is a switch, this is a resistor, and this is very important one. This is called rheostat. A rheostat is nothing but a resistance of a resistor of variable resistance. So once again, this is the battery, a switch, a resistor, a rheostat, ammeter, and here is the voltmeter. We have to set the circuit as given in the diagram, and once we set, we'll adjust the rheostat that in such a way that little or no current passes through it. And then we'll keep changing the position of the rheostat. From here we'll keep moving and can change the resistance or we can change the potential difference. And we'll measure the current in ammeter and we'll measure the potential difference V in voltmeter, and when you plot a graph we'll get V by I, a straight line which shows that it is an ohmic conductor. All the conductors which obey Ohm's law, which obeys that when the current is directly proportional to potential difference is directly proportional to current, are called ohmic conductor. And the one which does not obey are called non-ohmic conductors. Okay, my dear? So this is what is Ohm's law and what type of questions we'll get on this Ohm's law. Right? There are 4 varieties of questions that you can get on Ohm's law. One is the direct question, define Ohm's law and write its limitation. Ohm's law can be defined as potential difference is directly proportional to the current. Its limitation that it is applicable only at constant temperature. If you continuously pass the current, the wire gets heated. If the wire gets heated, the temperature will change. That's why this cannot be applied. To avoid this, we have to keep shutting the current after taking each reading. Switch off the switch, take the reading, and then once again switch on, take the reading and switch off. Don't pass current continuously. If one limitation is that it is applicable only at constant temperature. So one direct question is what is Ohm's law and write limitation, and the limitation is that it is applicable at constant temperature. The second type of questions that can be asked is the mathematical expression of Ohm's law. V is equal to Ri. There can be question giving the value of V and I, asking you to find the resistance, or giving the value of V and R and asking you to find the current. That we can do it from the NCERT book or a worksheet that will be given to you later. Now, third type of question that we'll get is the based on the graphical verification of Ohm's law. Very, very important question. Let's focus on this. The V value and the I value will be given, and there will be 2 graphs given, A and B. Lot of questions can be asked on this. They can ask which of the 2 wires have higher resistance, which of the 2 wires are more thicker, which of the 2 wires are at higher temperature. What we have to do is that fix the V value and then take the I value for that. The same V value will take the I value of the second one. And we know that R is equal to V by I. For the same V, the I is higher for this. The higher the I, lower is the less resistance. And lower the lower the I value, higher is the resistance. So we find that A is at higher resistance, B is lower resistance. So from this we can conclude that A is under high resistance, means it may be under high temperature, or maybe it is a thin wire, or maybe it is in series condition. So this type of questions can be asked from the given graph A and B, which is having high resistance. Higher resistance means maybe the temperature is high, maybe the wire is thinner, maybe the wire is in series. So today's in this video we learned what is Ohm's law, its limitation, its experimental verification, and 3 types of questions that can be asked. Hope this will be clear to you. In the next video, we are going to learn about the resistance and factors affecting resistance. So have a nice day. Goodbye.